If you're interested in SALEEN Mustangs that are Coyote swapped, and why not, this is the video for you. So hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and guys, I got a special one for you here today. We do have an original SALEEN car that has been Coyote swapped, but there's a good reason. We're actually out here at Charlotte Cars and Coffee. See, got a bunch of Foxbodies over here. I just had a video about this, not Foxbodies here, but we got some over there, some over there. We did a little Foxbody takeover. Pretty cool, but there's one that really caught my eye here today. It's special. It was actually at Foxtoberfest. Somehow I missed it. I don't know how, 717 Foxes, but I caught it today. I'm here with the owner. BJ, welcome to the channel. Thanks for being here.
Hey, how are you?
Good. And cars, you said we actually bought 3 today, right?
Correct, yes.
You got the SALEEN, 88 SALEEN, and the 293 Cobras. They're actually both original Cobras.
Correct.
We're not going to go too much in detail, guys, but this one is original Cobra you picked up this year?
Yes, this is black on gray leather originally, car number 127. And then the one beside of it is a unmolested 93 Cobra, red on gray, car number 1337.
So you know both the numbers, which is pretty cool.
That's right.
But this SALEEN, this is what we're focused on in this video. This is actually number 300, right?
Correct, 88 300.
Yeah, and what's cool about this, so guys, obviously it's a little worn and weathered, so we're gonna get into all that. But this car originally, you knew the original owner, right?
Yes, that's right. One of my buddy's dads bought the car new in Kentucky where I grew up. And this was the first nice new SALEEN I'd ever seen.
And so you saw it when it was pristine back in the day?
Yes, that's right, yes.
Okay, and he bought it brand new. It's in Kentucky, which, guys, notice the UK hat.
That's right.
And I'm Carolina. It's okay, we're getting along today. And then it had what, like you said, it went through like 10 owners or something?
Yes, yes. You know, it had just, you know, it was a nice, cool car at first. And then, you know, it got a little age on it. It went to the next owner. You know, that guy was rough on it. He lost one of the wheels. You know, through the life, it lost one of the wheels, one of the side skirts, the factory hatch, you know, quite a bit of the original stuff.
Yeah, and it sat in the field for 15 years.
That's correct, yes. It sat in the field, you know, they cut all the harnesses out. They cut the headlight harness, they cut the taillight harness, they pulled the headlights out, sold the transmission. I mean,
they weren't kind, were they?
They just parted the car out.
Could you imagine parting out an 88 SALEEN? But
no.
She draws a crowd, actually. You've had a lot of people talking today about it.
It is the most popular out of my 3 cars.
Is it? And you've got that pristine Cobra over there.
Yeah.
And people want to see this.
That's right, yes. They don't care about those two. No, they like this one.
I don't blame them. Oh, well, this one over here I'm really partial to, but I got a thing for 93 Cobras. Actually, I just realized this, BJ, but look, I got 93 Cobra, 93 Cobra, 93 Cobra clone.
Yes, there you go. That's right.
So, all right, well, let's do this, guys. We're going to talk more about the car, but first I'm going to give you a little cinematic. We'll walk around the car, give you a closer look. Does she have a name yet, or just?
No.
Okay, we'll give you a closer look at this 88 SALEEN. All right, there you go, guys. It's a quick walk around. You know what? Usually I delay and talk about all kinds of other things, but we're gonna get just right into this thing staring us in the face here. So what are we looking at here? Obviously it's a Ford engine. We were kind of joking earlier, LS, because some people probably believe you, don't they?
They do,
yeah, but it's not.
This is the original Gen 1 engine. This was the first one I bought. I've done probably 15 Coyote swaps.
15, holy cow.
This one was bought in 2012. When it went in this car, it had 2,300 miles on it.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So what, it got pulled out of a wreck, I guess, or something?
Yes, that's right. Brand new F-150 in 2012. When I started in with it, it hit my factory SALEEN strut tower brace, and we spent about 5 minutes trying to get it off of there. It wouldn't, so I cut it up.
God, give him a break. He spent a whole 5 minutes. I mean, that's a lot of time.
5 minutes building the car, that's a lot, right?
Well, and there's another thing they don't know about that, which you told me already, but you were getting ready for Foxtoberfest, which was in 2 weeks, right?
That's correct, yes. I built the car in 2 weeks.
So you didn't have a lot of time.
That's right.
5 minutes is a lot of time to come in.
5 minutes is a long time, that's right. And then you can see my nice radiator overflow bracket.
That looks nice.
We spent some time on this bad boy.
But you did drive this longest trip you made so far in it today, right? How far did you drive?
It'll be a 200-mile round trip.
Wow. Wow, yeah, so
Yep.
already made 100. So on Instagram, hopefully you make it. Let me know if you make it.
Well, that's right.
No, I think you will. It seems good.
We're gonna make it.
These are reliable engines too. I mean,
yeah, that's right.
it's kind of neat. I haven't seen this look where you still got this in here.
That's right.
Cut, and it's got a Cobra Jet manifold.
No, it's actually a Holly Sniper.
Oh, is it? Okay, all right.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. See, is that the system you got on the Holly?
Yes, sir.
Did you do anything to the engine, or is it all stock?
Nope, it's bone stock. I do have a Roush blower ready to go on. I just hadn't had the time to pull it apart and throw it on there yet.
Okay. Well, how's your rear end? You still got the 8.8?
Yes, it's a rebuilt 94, 98 rear end.
Oh, okay.
Yep, I swapped it. There's a little better brake options for it.
Yep.
So I went with them. You know, it's rebuilt, 355 gears, nice upper and lower control arms, new old stock racecraft springs in the rear.
But yeah, one of the things you said was when you got it, it had a lot of suspension parts missing too, right?
That's right, yes.
What, only 3 of the original springs?
3 of the original springs were there, 1 factory wheel missing. Yep.
Otherwise, these are original wheels and you had them resurfaced.
That's correct, yes.
Okay, so we can't really see it, but it's got 4-wheel disc. It's the Cobra or the GT brakes?
It's the GT.
Okay,
yes.
all right. And you put a SALEEN wing on it.
Yep.
It's original SALEEN wing, not original to the car.
That's correct. And then I went with the old school solar wing, what you would have seen in the 90s.
Yeah, it's a very period correct mod.
That's correct,
Yeah,
yes.
I think it looks cool.
Then we did, you know, just some cheap repop windows. These were destroyed like the rest of the car.
Okay.
So I threw them in there for now.
And you still got the cluster?
Still got the original cluster. Everything works on it with the Coyote swap. I opted for the old school Ford racing gauges.
Okay, yeah.
Yep, got the tack, got the center
Big
pod.
tack, I love it.
Yep.
Actually, the interior you made look a little nicer. I guess
Yes.
what, new carpet?
That's right. Yes, this was an original gray interior car.
Okay.
I'm a fan of the black interior, so I pulled everything out, ordered Recaros, bought all the black panels, and swapped everything in it.
Yeah, and did you do that in the 2 weeks too? Or
I
had you
did,
already...
yes.
Really?
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
So what kind of state was this thing in when you started?
There was nothing.
Really?
Seriously, no rear end, no front suspension, no interior, no wiring, no engine, no fuel system, nothing.
Did you trailer it to Foxtoberfest?
No. Oh yeah, no, I did. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, we did. Yeah.
You live in Kentucky now, or?
No, I live in Greenville, South Carolina.
Okay, all right. So
Yes.
you drove it up here today from Greenville along with these other two, and
Yes.
was the original SALEEN steering wheel missing, or this is it?
It was, yes.
Okay,
Yeah, this is the aftermarket. I have the original SALEEN steering wheel to go on it now.
Oh, do you? Okay, cool.
And then I've got, you know, a repop shifter knob, SALEEN style shifter knob.
Nice. Oh yeah, I forgot to ask you what transmission you say it has?
T45.
T45.
Yep,
Okay.
Just a budget swap, you know.
Well, yeah. I mean, you had limited time. Are you going to upgrade that when you do the?
Yeah.
The
You know,
blower?
when the blower goes on, we'll probably do a T56 Magnum or something.
Okay. Yeah, that's actually what I have in my blue car, Q56 Magnum, just for cruising.
Yes, that's right.
Which is nice. So.
Yep.
But 355s are pretty good, and this has 5-speed, right? That's
yes,
that's
it
a
is.
5-speed.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. You know, I plan on beating on the car pretty hard. You know, we're gonna do some road racing. We're gonna do some cool stuff.
What kind of? You say you're on racecraft suspension springs?
In the rear.
In the rear. What got in the front?
Up front, we have the coilovers.
Coilovers. Okay.
I have all the UPR stuff.
Okay.
Tubular K member.
Is it UPRK member too?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. And then, you know, just the BBK swap headers and full exhaust.
Now it's Holly Sniper system. Do you self-tune that, or did you get a tune?
No. It's actually on the Ford Racing control pack.
Oh, it is.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just the intake.
Just the intake.
Yes,
all right.
sir.
So it's on the Ford Racing. All right.
Yep.
Have you had it on the dyno or anything?
I haven't.
Okay.
Nope.
But I'm guessing it's you know, probably over 400 at the wheels.
375
Okay.
probably.
All right.
Yeah. Yep.
Is it fun?
Oh, it's a blast. It's a blast. Well, you know, you drive the Cobras and you drive this, there's no comparison.
Right.
You know, yeah, these cars are a dog compared to this car.
Oh, I bet. I bet it moves pretty good. So what do you get? This is what I'm wondering. What are the most, do you get some hate on this? Like,
You know, not as much as I wanted. You know,
not as much as you wanted.
know,
That's going to be, oh my, okay,
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah,
That's a
yeah.
great line. I love that.
well, you know, the SALEEN guys took it better than expected. They weren't a fan of me cutting the bar.
They lost their mind on that, I'm
Yes,
sure.
Yeah, they're still salty about that.
Yeah.
Outside of that, they're just happy I saved the car.
Okay.
You know, I get far more hate out of the two Cobras than I do the SALEEN.
Really?
Yes, but you know, I haul a gas can on my Cobra wing between the two legs, and the Cobra guys do not like that at all.
Well, you know, you saved that one too,
Well,
basically.
that's right. Yeah, that's right. You know.
Okay. Well, so you get more love than hate, sounds like.
Yes, I do. Yes. When we came to Foxtoberfest, my wife wanted to drive the red car. You know, the red car's nice, never been jacked with. But I told her we was driving this, and she couldn't understand it. But when we rolled in, everybody swarmed to this car, as you've seen today.
Yeah.
You know.
Oh, I know. I was the biggest one. I'm like the big kid. Like,
Yes.
Can I tell a video of your car, sir?
That's right. This is the crowd favorite, no matter what you park it next to.
Yeah.
You know.
I get it. Where do you go, aside from the blower, where do you kind of go with it from here? Is it going to pretty done? Or?
Yeah, you know, I was back and forth on painting the car, but if I paint it, it's just going to be another nice SALEEN.
Yeah.
You know, that's not what I'm after. I'm probably going to do the blower, you know, a bigger fuel system, a good transmission, then we're gonna go racing. We're gonna,
Yeah, you said road racing, right?
Oh, that's right. Yeah, we're gonna beat on it in the curves. I'm gonna try to get a 9-second time slip out of the car.
Wow.
Just have some fun with it.
Yeah. I forgot it doesn't have a cage, right?
That's right.
If you go 9 seconds, you're gonna put a cage?
Well, no.
No?
Not,
Okay.
no.
So he'll go 9 seconds one time, and that might be it.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
All right, so no bigger plans, really, it's just a blower and have fun.
That's right. I have no plans of painting.
Okay.
None of the body work.
I wouldn't either, honestly.
I've been back and forth on putting the new side moldings on it. Where it's missing there.
Yeah.
I don't know that I'm even going to do that.
I mean, it's kind of part of the look.
That's right. It's took it this long to look like this, so I hate to mess with it.
Yeah. And the other thing I do want to point out, you told me, is that some of the graphics, because guys might be wondering, this isn't an 88.
That's correct.
You said what? Explain that real quick.
This car was bought new, like I said, from my buddy's dad. The car was keyed in 1989. When they did, they had to do a full repaint, so the car's been repainted one time, and that's why it has the 89 graphics on it.
Yeah. Because they couldn't get them, right?
They went back to SALEEN. SALEEN had no longer stocked the 88 graphics, so they put the 89 graphics on it, and that's where it is today.
I love it. So I don't know if you know, but I'm actually building, I have an FHP coupe, and I'm doing a similar thing.
Yes.
My wife sanded down to the original paint on it, and we're just going to have the FHP paint and like try to road race.
Oh, yes,
so,
that's perfect.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh,
Similar from that standpoint. I'm still going small block Ford, but
that's right. Yeah.
this is kind of like almost like a budget build in a way.
It is. Yeah, it is.
It seems like the interior maybe might have been where you spent the most money, or maybe some suspension parts. I guess.
Yeah. The engine swap and interior. Outside of that, it's pretty much the way it came. If there was ever a budget SALEEN, this is it.
Yeah, that's true. Budget and SALEEN don't go together very well.
That's right.
But yeah. All right. Well, what I would love to do, if you don't mind, is maybe next time when we're not at Cars and Coffee, maybe one day at the racetrack, maybe I can get a ride with you.
Definitely, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, because I want to road race my FHP. So you can show me how to do it, and then we can be competitive. But you're gonna blow me away with it.
There you go. That's right.
Well, cool. Well, BJ, thanks for sharing this with the channel. BJ, it's awesome. And you're also obviously you're a Foxbody guy. How many do you own? Is it just these 3, or you have more?
No. Probably 20.
20? Okay,
yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you say you've done 12 Coyote swaps, or what do you say, 15?
Yeah, 15 probably.
Yeah, 15.
Yeah.
So all right, you love the Foxbodies, and this is just your hobby.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
We all want hobbies like you.
Well, come on down. I can put you in one.
That's why I do videos, because I can't do all these cars.
Yes.
I only have a 2-car garage.
Okay.
So at least I get to experience it through you.
There you
so
go.
I appreciate it.
Yes,
really
sir.
appreciate it.
Thank you, bud.
Yep. All right, guys. So that's it for this one.
I know this is near the end of the video, but I wanted to tell you about something really kind of special. So I'm here right now. You can see Tar Heel Fox. They're lining up a special photo shoot here at the Mustang Owners Museum, and they're gonna make a huge poster of every generation of Mustang, and they have asked for Tar Heel Fox to be the one to represent Foxbody. So Matt was a little shy. He wasn't sure if that was worthy of getting that kind of honor, but I think it's great. And yeah, we're lining up and we're gonna be able to see that. So if you come to the museum, you might get to be able to see Tar Heel Fox up on the wall. I'm super proud of him, so he doesn't know that I'm saying this, but I'm super proud of him, and I think it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, Tiffany filled you guys in. I was kind of moving the car around. Exciting thing, weird thing for me, because I don't know. I love Tar Heel Fox, but I know many other people did. What do you think about Tar Heel being in this? Did you already say? All right, I guess I have to watch the footage. Hopefully she likes it. So there we go. That's what it looks like. You didn't show them yet, did you? What it looks like?
Well, you were still setting up. So
okay.
Yeah.
All right, guess what? We'll wait for the setup.
Yes.
And then we'll show them.
Exactly.
Okay, thanks for still hanging in on this vlog. That is a wrap. Tiffany doing her cleaning thing like usual. Awesome. Best cleaning lady in the business. If you guys need her, too bad, she's mine. And we did more photos. So, but we actually got to get home. So that's kind of it. I know I already closed out the video. Awesome SALEEN, really enjoyed talking to him, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. So thanks for hanging around for the bonus footage, and we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704. Still like, this is weird, man. This is weird. This is cool. All right, bye. Oh God, no.
Okay.
Here
Oh, life is hard.
Now, Gerard's gonna take some photos like this. He'll also take photos.
I want to avoid that one.
Oh, that's the one you get hit.
Hey. Oh,
You said you have 2 of them.
that don't mean a little bit.
Wow, it's really windy. It's very windy. Tiffany will block the wind. Block the wind, Tiffany. I don't know if this is very good. I don't know if this is a very good vlog.